Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this class, we'll discuss how will you count the number of columns. So guys, you can see columns which are represented in the form of alphabets. You can see here in the address bar, if I can see this K represent the column. So when it comes to column, how many columns are there? It is very easy to count the rows because you can see if you press control down arrow, you can see that you have 10,48,576 rows. But when it comes to columns, columns are represented in the form of alphabets. So counting them would be difficult. For your knowledge, you should know the last column is except D. So in order to count the number of columns, you should be in column A. Does not matter which row number you are in. So make sure you are in column A and then just write something there. Suppose I just wrote my name here. My name is Amit. Then copy this, Control C, Control Shift, right arrow, Control V. Now in customized status bar, you can see the count of 16,384. That is the total number of column in Excel workbook. Thank you.